PC Academy. In this video I'm going to be replacing the screen in an Asus F15 Gaming Laptop. It's the 144Hz screen, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I was hoping not to have to remove the screen or the screen and assembly from the base. I was rather hoping I could work on it still connected, but these covers seem to wrap around the hinges, so there doesn't seem to be any other way without breaking something. So let's unscrew it and let's get the two parts separated. This plastic connector quite tight, so be careful when you're levering it. This is for the VGA cable. Because you most definitely do not want to damage something on a gaming laptop, or the cost could get quite high. Okay, so that's the cable removed. Let's gently lift this a bit. That lifts up the hinges, and that should hopefully remove once we get enough angle. There we have it. Okay, so we are now left with the screen and front bezel. Which should lift off there now. For once, there's actually no Wi-Fi to worry about, just the VGA lead on this one, because the Wi-Fi is connected to the base. Okay, so let's have a look for tabs. Assuming that is one there. Okay, 2 lots of tape. So that's the screen out. So let's get a new one ordered. So as we've just seen, the laptop is booting up and the screen is coming on working fine. I've cleaned out the fans for dust, so it's just a case of getting the battery back installed and getting the the bottom case back on, and hopefully that should be this job finished. So let's crack on with the battery. So that's the laptop now finished and fully working. Just be careful of the front bezel plastics that wrap around the actual hinges. That's where you can easily get caught out thinking that the front bezel will actually just pull off when it doesn't. So just take your time there. It's the run up to Christmas week now, so there probably won't be any more videos now until the new year. So until then, have a great Christmas and a new year. As always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.